Welcome to Talim English. I made this video to help you listen, understand, and learn English through real-life moral stories. If you want to improve your English listening and speaking skills, stay till the end. This story will truly touch your heart. Now, let's begin today's story, The Reward of Kindness. One day, a poor boy was walking down the road under the hot sun. He was tired and hungry. He stopped in front of a small shop and said softly, "Uncle, may I have a little water, please?" The shopkeeper smiled and replied, "You will get water, son, but first have this." He gave the boy a warm piece of bread and some curry. The boy looked surprised and said, "But I only asked for water." The shopkeeper said kindly, "An empty stomach can't be satisfied with water alone, my boy." Years passed. One day, the same shopkeeper fell sick and was admitted to the hospital. He couldn't afford the cost of treatment. Suddenly, the doctor came and said, "Sir, don't worry. Someone has already paid your bills." The shopkeeper asked in surprise, "Who did that?" The doctor smiled and said, "I'm that poor boy you once gave food to. Today, I just repaid your kindness." A small act of kindness never goes to waste. Be kind, because kindness always finds its way back to you. Thanks for listening. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English learning stories.